Hey, this is another video about Twilio and automations. I'm making this in case you're building a Twilio with WhatsApp, in this case, integration right now, and you might be wondering what happens when someone messages you back. How do you know someone messaged you back? Where we can make it display? Do you have to always come in here in Twilio, monitor and check the activity log to see incoming messages. So yeah, let's see that real quick. So the first thing you want to do, if you don't have a third party app that manages all of this, is to choose the intermediary app where incoming messages are going to display, and you will need a webhook URL. So I'll show my own setup here, which is on Airtable. There it is. Okay, so that's my base where I can see the WhatsApp incoming incoming messages and outgoing messages also. And we'll go into here automation right now. Okay, so I won't dive into all the detail of what I'm doing with it, but you would basically just need to open a new workflow, in this case in Airtable, but it should work the same with all apps. And you would need it to provide you with a webhook URL. So here the trigger is a webhook. It could work with Zapier, Make.com, whatever app that's available, that can provide you with that. So here I won't show it fully for privacy reasons, but here you can see that Airtable provides me with a webhook URL. So I'll just copy it, and let's see where to paste it in Twilio. Okay, back in Twilio, here we are, messaging. Okay, so here it's the welcome dashboard. We'll go into messaging, senders right here, and WhatsApp senders. Here I got mine registered. You just click on the number, and here you got the settings of your WhatsApp number. And it's right here, webhook URL for incoming messages. Basically, Twilio here is asking you, when your number receives incoming messages, where should we forward these messages to? So here we just paste the webhook URL that we got before. And in Airtable, in this case, we should receive this structured data when we run a test. So in this case, it's the last message I had sent to myself which is an image, I believe. So yeah, that's just how you do it. Then you can manage the incoming message however you want, but you just need a webhook URL and paste it in this space in Twilio. I'll just find back the conversation I had with myself on WhatsApp so we can see it happen live on Airtable. So you have a visual example. Here, the rest of the flow is just when we get a message, we create an entry in the Airtable file for this message so I can view it. And we try to relate it with an existing client if we can match the number who sent the message to anyone that's already present in my CRM. So let's see how it works live. Okay, here we see all of the messages that are incoming and outgoing, actually. I'll just find back the conversation. Okay, I could find the conversation in my WhatsApp, so I'll just write a message. Okay, it was sent. And here we can see it already. And we can see live that my workflow, which isn't really the topic of this video, could relate it with an existing CRM item. So here we get the timestamp, we get the content of the message I just sent to myself on WhatsApp. I say I sent it to myself, but I did it from a different number. That's important in case you want to test with yourself, it's always best to test with actually two different numbers. And here we can see type incoming. Then the details, they depend on my Airtable setup, but that's how I can visualize that I received a new message on WhatsApp directly in my CRM. So that's it for this time. I hope this will be helpful to someone that's setting up their Twilio and WhatsApp automations. And thank you for having watched.